Isang testigo na lamang ang nakatakdang iharap ng prosekusyon para sa Article 4 ng Articles of Impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte na tumatalakay sa umano'y grave threats ng pangalawang Pangulo, kina Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr., First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos at former House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Ito'y matapos iurong ng prosekusyon ang nakatakdasa ng pagpresenta sa 6 pang testigo, kabilang ang kinatawan mula sa Philippine National Police, Firearms and Explosive Office, 2 media personalities, dating Davao City Sheriff Abby Andres, kaanak ng biktima ng pagbabanta at psychiatrist.
This withdrawal, Your Honor, renders Attorney Melvin Matibag, the NBI Director, as our last witness for threat, who will be testifying this coming Tuesday, Your Honor.
Una nang binawi ng prosekusyon ng paghaharap kina Attorney Zuleika Lopez, Chief of Staff ng Office of the Vice President, at Captain Belinda Bello, Executive Director ng Legislative Bureau ng Kamara, dahil anilay hindi na kailangan ang kanilang mga testimonya. Para naman sa depensa, hiniling nitong iwasan na ang mahahabang paliwanag sa tuwing nagwi-withdraw ng mga testigo.
All I'm asking, Your Honor, is that if the intent truly is to aid this court in speedy disposition of this case in a fair and balanced manner, also with the considering that we are being watched by the people, no? All I'm asking is, if the intent is just to say we're withdrawing, then that's it. Just state the intent, and then without any conclusions, Your Honor, because conclusions really are just for the courts to make and not for either of the parties.
Kaugnay nito ay natasa ng Senate Impeachment Court ang magkabilang panig na limitahan sa pag-aanunsyo ng pagbawi ng mga testigo at huwag nang magdagdag pa ng mga paliwanag o konklusyon.